Okay, let's see how we can use my library resource file to load some line types and show that I've done that. So here I'm going to go ahead and show what we're going to do here. I'm going to draw a hexagon, circle of about 8 inch. Then I'm going to explode it so that I can apply the line types. And then I'm going to use the design center to bring those in and change those. So here we go. Let's see if I can follow those instructions. Open a new drawing. I'm going to do that right from here. This little plus. New drawing. And I'm going to turn off the grid. I've got everything all set up. And if you'll notice in the design center, I typed DC. Let's do that again. DC, design center. And I'm showing open drawings. Okay, and right now I'm looking at what's in my library file. That's what I'm looking at. And I'm looking at the line types. So I want all of those line types in my new drawing. So here I am in my new drawing. I highlight them, hold my left button down and drag them in. And now all of a sudden, all of those, here they are, line types are in there. Isn't that cool? So that's the quick way to get to them right there. So now I'm going to make a drawing. I'm going to make sure that my ortho is on. There we go. My ortho is on. And I'm going to make a hexagon in a circle with a diameter of 8. So I'll go circle diameter. I'll put it in the middle and I'll type 8. There we go. And now I'll be able to, and let's look at my O snaps. Let's see, yeah, the center. I'm going to find the center. And it says a hexagon, 6-sided polygon. Down here where it says 4, I'll type 6. I'll find the center, left click, inscribed. It says inside of, doesn't matter which. And then I can just get close, or I can go shift right click, find the quadrant. There we go. I can leave this here or I can get rid of it. For right now, I'll just get rid of it. Delete. And I have to explode this. EXP. Explode. Not export, explode. Now those are each individual lines. So I'm going to pick that line and I'm going to say make that one center 2. I'll pick the next line and make it continuous. And I'll pick the next line and dashed 2. And the next line hidden 2. And the next line phantom 2. And the next line zigzag. And if I double click my mouse wheel, click, click, kind of makes it pretty big. And if I look at, turn my line weights on, and let's see, display the line weight, can make it a little heavier. There we go. There, I've done it. That's step 3 of load and apply line types. Step 3, which is use your file. Okay, there we go. And I would save this now. Use and apply line types. And you know, I like to put my initials on it. And I like to type correctly, so I usually reread what I wrote. Also notice I'm saving as an AutoCAD 2018. Anybody will be able to open this up with an old file back, old program back to 2018. There we go. That's what's going to get submitted into Canvas.